this video, we're going to be going over my new invention and project. I call it the quadripolar Cockcroft-Walton circuit, or in layman's terms, Taser Fingers. It has 4 positive voltage polarities discharging into one negatively polarized electrode. With this circuit, you can make a cool high voltage prop for cosplay, for events like MegaCon, DragonCon, or Comic-Con, where you can demonstrate real life or live action force lightning. With this circuit, you can have unlimited power. Just a heads up though, I actually tried taking this prop to MegaCon in Orlando, Florida this year, but the prop checkers did not allow it inside the convention center. No wonder, because force lightning is a forbidden technique in Star Wars and a forbidden jutsu in Naruto. Going over this circuit, you will need a 12 to 36 volt power supply, preferably a battery. Try not to use a switch mode power supply because it won't give you constant current and arcs. You will also need a switch that is rated for such voltages, or it won't last very long. You will also need a ZVS or 0 volt switching board. Try to get the one featured in this video, one that is rated for 12 to 36 volts. The most important component here is the AC flyback. These are hard to come by, so you will most likely have to wind your own, which I will teach you how in my next video, so stay tuned. This high voltage AC flyback will step up your voltage greatly so it can be multiplied by the quadripolar Cockcroft-Walton circuits. Pay close attention to the primary winding directions and how it is connected to the ZVS board. In the circuit schematic, you can see that starting from the top, the initial winding alternates from over to under, then over to under again. Also, the 2 middle wires are connected together to the ZVS board. If these aren't wired properly, the circuit most likely won't work. The next section of this diagram is the 4 positive potential Cockcroft-Walton circuits. These are wired in parallel. And then you have 1 negative potential Cockcroft-Walton, which is also wired in parallel. The negative circuit uses the same components, high voltage diodes and capacitors, but it is configured slightly different, so make sure to pay attention to that as well. From there, I took all the outputs and attached them to each finger of my prop. The structure of this prop was made out of modeling wire insulated with bendy straws. Then, these were covered with a prosthetic glove to make it look more realistic. I used the modeling wire in order to position and create realistic hand geometry and movement. The structure of the prop could also be improved with a 3D printer if you have one. Anyways, thanks again for visiting my channel, and until next time, stay safe.